मस्त इट्स गोइंग टू बी Amazon फैशन अप पर ना आज का दिन इज गोइंग टू बी एपिक चीकू दीदी
What's your beach look?
bikini
Two pieces only.
yes
Loving it.
Aba nice the look is done madam
Hey, so I have 3 words to describe my Amazon fashion partner today. Mischief in motion. मतलब 1 सेकंड में उसके 40 expressions होते हैं. I can't wait to shop and style for her today. मतलब being with her is like being on an express train of मस्ती.
must it's going to be Amazon fashion up पर ना आज का दिन is going to be epic you know why because you've got me and with me you've got the super talented powerhouse of a woman I mean she's got the moves man dance हो या fashion she's effortless and that is why मुझ पर और भी pressure बढ़ गया to pick up the right outfit for her
The whole world is her munch. She's muक्त from any limitations. She makes her own rules.
she breaks all the rules and she redefines them she's all heart
Heart to heart तो है ही अपना connection. Our lives are so intertwined कि लोगों को लगता है कि हम twins हैं.
which is well almost true
We are soul twins.
because a lot of me is her
And a lot of her is me.
चीकू दीदी I'm so excited to be here, चीकू दीदी कितनी प्यारी लग रही हो आप यार
Thanks like always, गोलू. तू भी अच्छी लग रही है यार आज.
No, but you are looking extra gorgeous today with all the bling and all the gold. Chiku Didi, isn't it amazing that we are here on Amazon Fashion Up, that too for Rakhi?
गोलू, but what I love this festival क्योंकि इसमें बहुत emotional connect होता है जो तेरा और मेरा कभी हो नहीं पाया. नहीं, I'm really kidding.
Yeah,
But I'm very excited today कि आज I will shop for you and you will shop for me. आज पता चलेगा तू कितना attention पे करती है मेरे likes और dislikes पे.
Okay, I really don't know about your likes or dislikes, but my attention is right now on that bed.
गोलू, let this go. This is Amazon Fashion Up. यहाँ पता है कितनी variety है? What all they have, it will blow your mind.
Oh my God.
Seriously, yes.
No,
What?
I have an idea.
What?
I need to take you there. Come.
What?
Chiku Didi, you're on Instagram, no? आपके 2-3 followers है ना? आपको पता होगा this and that? Okay.
Yes.
Hit the track, guys. Let's play it. It was a lot of fun, wasn't it?
It was.
See, it all started with that belt of yours, but that bag, yaar, Chiku Didi, I really loved it.
Bag, you mean that clutch?
Yeah,
You mean that Aldo clutch?
that is from Aldo, the silver one.
That could possibly be in that box over there.
Which box?
There's a box!
You already thought of this. So sweet. Can I open it?
Yes, this is your Raksha ka Bandhan gift.
आप no भी बोलोगे तभी मैं खोलूंगी. Oh my God!
Yes!
Thank you, yeah.
Oh, welcome. You like it?
I really like it. Thank you so much. This is what I really wanted.
Clearly, Golu, Aldo clutch ने तेरा हर पल fashionable moment पूरा किया है. What about my moment?
I was thinking that I'll give it to you a little later, but
I don't believe.
here you go.
Really?
Da 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 da.
You kidding me?
Here you go. That's your gift.
Yay!
Okay, open.
I can't believe गोलू तुम मेरे लिए गिफ्ट लेके आई वो भी इतना बड़ा.
Yes.
What could be inside this? Yes. Oh my God.
What is it?
Are you doing डब्बे में डब्बा and then अंदर मेरा बनेगा अब्बा जब्बा डब्बा?
देखो जैसे आप होते हो ना आपको वैसे ही गिफ्ट मिलता है. You like it? पर कैसा लगा आपको कि ऑल्डो का बदला वर्साचे से मिला है?
Listen too much यार. Golu, I love how we are spoiling ourselves.
I know.
But this is pre-gaming level.
Of
The
course.
real deal is yet to happen.
Of course, it is the Rakhi shopping.
Yay!
Okay, let me take you through this. So, I know you want to dress up well, you want to look nice, and you love silverware. Let me choose the look for you
Okay.
because I want it to be a surprise.
ये surprise दे रही है हाँ?
Listen, I want to pick that Rakhi look for you. Okay, added to cart. Everything done. Your look is done, madam.
तूने पेमेंट कर दिया ना?
हाँ, very funny. हाँ.
ब्रदर सिस्टर्स की रिलेशनशिप बहुत अलग है एंड आई थिंक सिस्टर्स हैव अनदर काइंड ऑफ बॉन्ड.
I know.
4 sisters going mad every year tying राखी टू each other. और ये जो हमारा रक्षा का बंधन है मतलब हर साल बहुत स्पेशल हो जाता है हमारे लिए.
Now तो आप मुझे इतना spoil कर रही हो दीदी. Why don't you buy more gifts
And
for
the
me,
cart
please?
is also growing. I'm so happy. Who is that?
There is something happening.
Oh,
Hey Aman, how are you?
Hello. Good. I'm so excited to be decoding your style today. Well, I'm a fashion stylist, and when I start to style anyone, I have to break down their personality type because I know you guys are shopping for each other for Rakhi, and I really hope that helps you buy something special for each other and the right thing. Well, Shakti, I think you're quite adventurous, you know, when it comes to your style. You are quite out there, your style is elevated, it's top notch, it's trendy, it's cool. I think all in all, you're a cool cat.
yes.
And Mukti, I feel you gravitate towards more feminine, more like slightly mellower, softer sides, but at the same time, you like to play it fun, like to play it cool. And your fashion sensibility is also right up there, you know, on trend, just with a hint of delicate feminine touch. Am I right?
Oh my God, bang on, huh, Aman?
Well, I hope I helped you guys a little bit.
Thank you.
Bye, Amandeep. Oh my God, she really decoded our style to personality quotient. Like, how is it?
उसने पूरा अच्छे से बोला कि मेरे जो क्लोथ्स हैं एवरीथिंग इज अमेजिंग. पहली बार ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक्सपर्ट ने किसी ने आके मुझे बोला है व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज गुड.
Apart from that, आप मुझसे सीख चुकी हो जितना सीखना था. Because
Actually, that is true. You are the fashionista in the family. You remember this dress जो मम्मी पापा लेके आए थे हमारे लिए सेम हम बचपन में पहनते थे.
हाँ.
रेड पोल्का डॉट फ्रिली.
Yeah.
ये सब सेम चीजें करी है लाइफ में.
And now you have started copying my long hair also.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. What are we here for? We are here to pick up our Rakhi fashionable look, yaar.
I know, Golu.
And by the way, that is the Har Pal fashionable look. So aren't you excited to shop for it?
So let's go. What you waiting for, girl?
Let's go. Okay.
Okay. Are you ready to shop?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this. I know you enjoy very good footwear.
Yes.
So let's select something awesome for you. Okay, let's see what you like.
Platin heels, heel and buckle, London.
Something
beer.
like this you already have. Okay, I love this.
I like it.
It's cute.
हाँ, and I like closed toes. मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं.
All right.
Now, what accessories do you think that I like?
Accessories नहीं, I think अभी तेरा clothing करेंगे. Okay, what do we do? ये साड़ी कुर्ता.
ये बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट है यार. आप कितना जानती हो गोलू को इससे पता चल जाएगा. Yes.
Yes, my God.
Wow, they
Love
have Ritu
this.
Kumar.
Ritu
Nice.
Kumar.
File single, nice.
Pile. Whoa. Loving it.
Aba, nice.
I really like this.
You know what I like?
No,
Wait, let me.
wait, you turn around.
Okay.
I think I know what you want. I have the right to select your outfit. Golu, your Harpal fashionable look is done.
All right. Okay, I'm excited now. It's my turn. Now
Okay.
go back. The rule is the same. You can't look. Okay, now it's your turn. So I know what to pick for you. Let me surprise you with something because festive season hai yaar. I frankly feel that something shiny should be there, but you should not know
Arre nahi.
which one is that. And also,
Just remember.
so nice, pretty.
अमन ने क्या क्या
clothes.
बोला है मेरे बारे में, ठीक है? वो सब ध्यान में रखना.
Aman ne bola never over the top, yeah, that I agree with. But clothing wise, I really think that you should experiment. Like,
Okay.
I think you should wear something with prints,
Okay.
but something bright would be nice. I think off shoulder में ना ऐसा cut vibe आएगी, which will be really nice, and I'll be able to accessorize you nicely then. And that is it. I have locked your look.
Good job.
Yes. Chikuri, that was a Rakhi look, okay? But there's so many events in life, like a shoot. And sometimes you're choreographing something, sometimes you're going to the sets just to visit. So what is your go-to style statement?
Golu, I love to wear shorts.
Okay.
I love to wear sneakers or फिर like ganji and a shirt on top.
Oh my God.
So that's my look. What's your beach look?
Oh my God. Like beach look is of course bikini.
Bikini
Two pieces only. Oh, what do you like to wear when you're going to the hillside?
Definitely not a bikini in the mountains. Yeah, like a big fluffy jacket. Tights. I love to wear tights.
Or what do you feel about accessories in your life in general?
I'm a very minimal accessory person.
I know today you're really looking chic and fashionable और इतनी सारी accessories और ये सब पहनी है, लेकिन जो हमारे राखी लुक में हमने एक दूसरे के लिए पिक किया है वो बहुत ही मतलब अमेजिंग होने वाला है. उसके साथ लेकिन कुछ और अगर ऐड कर दे तो कैसा लगेगा? मुझे पता है कि आपको challenges बहुत पसंद है, right? So I have an interesting wheel of fashion challenge. Are you ready for it?
Yes.
Let's go for it. Let's do this. So, Wheel of Fashion Challenge ये है कि whatever comes here when you spin the wheel, I will have to include it in my look.
Okay. Should I spin it? I'm very excited
Yes.
to give you a challenge.
All right. खुद का challenge भारी ना पड़ जाए मुझ में.
It is
Beyond Pink Lipstick. What? Oh my God.
I am so happy this Raksha Bandhan is becoming very colorful for me. Now you have to accept it.
Okay.
All the best.
I have no choice.
Okay.
But are you ready for this challenge
I am
now?
ready. मेरा कुछ बहुत easy से आएगा. Belt आएगा मेरा देखना.
I hope sneakers ना आए, जो भी आए.
I can take it on.
कुछ भी आ सकता है अभी ना. You will.
Oh my God.
Matched earring. I love it.
OMG. Challenge accepted.
See you on the other side. Let's go for it.
Oh my
God! I want you to walk first.
All right.
Now wait for it. It comes here.
One second, I'm loving this outfit I picked out for you. This accessory.
Yes.
Wow. Oh.
Lovely.
Oh la la. Look at that. Look at your entire look.
Now I want to
Okay,
check
yeah.
you out. Come on.
Yeah.
Now look at that. Oh my God. Perfect hairstyle with it as well. And ring. And your belt.
My mismatch earring.
Oh my God. Check that out. It's amazing.
Hey guys, you can shop our looks and Rakhi goodies from the Amazon.in Rakhi store.
It's the most gorgeous Rakhi with my most gorgeous sister.
Oh, love you.
Thank you so much Amazon Fashion Hub for making our हर पल fashionable because आज की जो राखी है बहुत ज़्यादा special और memorable हो गई.
Yes.